Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The BSF Meghalaya Frontier, in collaboration with the Maarwadi Sammelan Mahila Samiti Shillong, celebrated Raksha Bandhan along the international border as well as in the BSF camp Mawpat, Shillong. During the celebration, members of the Maarwadi Sammelan Mahila Samiti and girl students from the Anoopchand Secondary School, Shillong, as a bond of love and brotherhood, tied Rakhis to the BSF troops deployed at Dawki Border as well as to the BSF officials in Shillong. Expressing happiness at being part of the celebration, BSF personnel felt delighted as such moments boost their morale to perform duties in a better manner.